know what he's doing, but I like it.
What are you doing here, and why does Jinx have my list from the air layer?
Good questions. Hey, so you're gonna butter now? That's fun.
Spill it.
Okay.
Invited your friends over and Jinx found the air layer?
Oh, how'd you know?
Because that's what I've done.
Chloe, because you chose not to listen to us, the air layer has now been compromised, and we're about to lose our cover jobs.
Senators, we need to chat.
We can explain.
Miss you too, Kesana Ntombi. Miss you too. Oh, inhlungu inhliziyo ukuthi awubuyi.
This? That is the most
Ibuhlungu.
sublime statement on the human soul I have ever seen.
Hi Siphelele, hi Sizwe.
So, our jobs are safe?
For now. But I'll get you next time.
I don't think guy's a jerk, but I really like him.
Lisanda uvuka guys.
Wait a minute. It sounds like you're
Lisanda uvuka kodwa ndisadiniwe.
right? Yeah, we're even. There is one teeny tiny thing I need help with.
Let me handle this. Those evil spies know I'm onto them. This could get ugly.
Wait, what are you saying? Hey, clear my ears.
It won't open.
Jinx, is it possible the spies sealed the slot and left?
Yeah? I mean, I know if I were a spy, I would be super scared of you.
Of course you would. I'm Double O Jinx. That's gonna make me dizzy.
Hey, relax, akuzoyenziwa lelikhanda. Relax, usumoya.
This secret. That Double
Hlisa
O
umoya.
Jinx is the protector of secret shore.
Hi Thabo, hlisa umoya.
Don't worry, we won't be telling anyone that.
Well, it's time for me to get back to headquarters.
Ujahile.
Double O Jinx, over and out.
Hayi kodwa phela limbi imali nje.
Come on, just take the front door. Spies never do vital exits through doors.
Hayi Thabo. Sawona mpendulo.
Maybe they should. Oh no, don't!
Mhlambe sesalona. Hayi bakithi ningeke bakithi. Ngisanda ukuvuka.
Back up now. My homework's in there.
And my leave-in conditioner. Yeah, I look good.
Ngiyacela liye ikhanda lami.
Up next, it's
Hi Teddy.
on Nickelodeon. Let's do this. Dear brother.
Hi Kwanele.
And now,
Awenza ukudla hlobo udle ngoba udlile.
their lives.
Uvuka lesi sikhathi it's unlike you. Eyo. Hayi, isikhathi engivuka ngaso yilesi. Angilalanga na late kakhulu izolo. Because ngiyazomeka. TK, thank you for the follow. Hi step bro. Daniel. Oh guys, kuyashisa. Kuyashisa.
Could you please order something? There are a lot of people waiting here. Some of us have Don't rush me, almost had it.
Yo. Okukantweni. La iwutedi la. Yo, kuyashisa bra. Kufanele uhlale nje ebhavini ngiyethezeke. Because le it's too much. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Kuragile. Ngidlala inyama yakho.
Igeza nini? Pheze kuyashisa. Yo. kuyashisa isicefe. Mara kungcono cause kusasa it's raining. And angiyithandi imvula. Mara ngiyayidinga manje.
Okay, we still have 2 minutes left.
Ngisathekweni. Nawe amahle nawe.
What is this? 1988? I don't know what to do. I got this cool new app on my phone.
Ayekho nephula kuba ngibizi.
With voice command. We don't have time for that.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Ayekho nephula kuba angibizi ngiyobhukuda.
Every
Ujeqa?
person in America wants to watch Dog Judge. Alright, check this out. Sync with Bogio TV.
Come on, we want to watch Dog Judge.
Just wait a second. Sync with Bogio TV. That's okay. Now, turn TV on.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Please repeat instruction.
Turn TV.
Ngiyeza lapho. Nini?
Confirm password.
I put my password in yesterday. I have to put my password in every time.
Guys, ayekho nephula kuba ngibizi.
Okay.
Ngisana
This is
gatekeep.
Papa Jasper and Eagle.
Ian, on Disney Channel.
100 hearts.
Ayihlala kini. Ekhaya yikho ibhola. Uzofika nini eGoli? Akho umuntu engimaziyo eGoli.
Family meeting time. Not now.
Imanasi kuyashisa ngeke. Kuyashisa bhutami. Kuyashisa ungiphe amanzi. Usafuna uncela kushisa kanje?
Family meeting moms in Detroit.
Ngiyawuthanda ngibuka kanjani?
Phezuna man.
Okay, what's this?
Lolingane ufuna iswingi. Kuyashisa ngifuna ubhukuda.
And he's coming here.
Ningangibuza ukuthi ngiyakwazi ubhukuda yini.
Then le tafule shintshe libe
We're not to call him Uncle Hairnet.
ngahlangene.
Cela ungangcolisi bakithi. Otherwise ngishaya nge-spin kick.
That makes him a part of this family.
I have a bathtub. Nala ikhaya ikhona.
Not my middle name. Now, you are to be here for dinner tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, and no one is to say anything about Uncle Mark's neck bush.
Hi Costa.
Yeah, whatever.
It all just kind of happened. My dad was an irresponsible scientist. I wanted an actual job.
So we serious about Izolo.
Me indestructible.
Ngani?
We did this crazy
Hayi ngeke angifuni ibhishu ngizobuya ngimnyama.
I'm gonna blow your mind. Now, if protecting good citizens of Swellview, who called me, he turned out to be, you know the name.
Captain Man.
That's right, Henry. In time, I realized that being a superhero is a lot to handle alone. He wanted some help. I needed a
Sidekick.
Hayibo. Bengithe ngiyadlala Izolo ukuthi ney'ngane mina. Obhuti bami laba bakithi. Hayibo. Bengithe ngiyadlala ubuku bukanti Ted. Ngithi ngiyadlala.
Sabo. Awuyaboni mina njalo makushisa. Uma ngibuka u100 days mayisebusuku. Ngisebusuku. But then nje kuyashisa. Kodwa
Ubukuphi ngithi ngiyadlala?
Uma kunje
Ayanangenza njalo.
ngishisele.
Who's gonna give you a 100% chance of winning?
Ngeke ngathi Izolo ngiyadlala because ngibona abantu bey'tshethi abantu besengikholwa njengoba nawe kade usongikholwa nje. So nje ngiyashesha ngayicima.
And nobody's going to cheat. I specifically asked Mr. Didier to join us to teach you how to play together and develop some team.
Thank you Zamani for the follow.
In soccer, what's important is not winning or losing, but enjoying yourselves by playing together. together means not only with your teammates, but with everyone on the field.
And I really like playing with my opponents, especially when we're crushing them.
Can you all think of
Kwenziwa
ways to make
nemabhidi.
things more fair?
Thank you, Matthew, for the follow.
Once again.
Kunani emabhidi ngumgqiba.
Rose, you're the only one who still has a teddy bear.
You and Chloe.
Of course I have a teddy bear. I mean, ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. Why don't we draw for it?
I don't see what's so great about running around chasing a ball.
Ngikhumbula lawo ngingababazi mina.
Sobuka ibhola kudlalani? Sawubona we mama, sawubona nawe. I love you too, Sibonga. Hayi Nhlahla.
Miss Bustier got Mr. Didier to come here. He's a legend in sports journalism, a real walking encyclopedia of soccer.
Oh, come on, Mark. Think of an excuse for me, please. You're the writer, after all. And that way you'll get to meet Mr. Didier.
Paris.
And so
None.
that's why he can't be here for this class.
That means we're missing a player.
Wouldn't you like to
High
play?
school girlfriend. Hayi bo.
No, this isn't my class, and I don't know, I'm not good.
It's your call. Mind passing me that ball over there before you go?
You absolutely have to play.
Iyaphela bhekiwe njani? La ekhaya guys silala ngopopayi sivuka ngopopayi. Emini sibuka opopayi nje opopayi nje. La ukupha imali ekhanda ngiyabonga Zamani.
Chloe, you're allowed to play soccer if you like it. The only thing she likes is obeying.
You're so beautiful. Thank you.
Go ahead, teddy bear.
But I might hurt someone if I kick too hard or jostle them.
Kasi na yung meron din siya very poor.
Fihlana ama-remote ilula leyo. Ke ngokuthi sawafihla bazoshintsha nge-decoder. So i-useless into yokufihla i-remote.
Sorry, I'm not that familiar with the rules.
Penalty. Have a free kick check.
Good.
Reminds me of my friend Michelle and
Are you related to Uncle Waffles? I wish I was.
No way that I'm touching that brown thing. I'm gonna catch some kind of disease or even worse, lameness. I can replace it if you want. I love being the goalie. You're not even on her team.
Hey, we don't have a real goalie, and it's a losing battle.
I refuse to be on a team of losers. I'm going home. Chloe,
Ngiyafisa kuthiwa ngiyohlobene no-Uncle Waffles guys because ave muhle loya muntu wesifazane.
over there.
Ih. Ave muhle.
One of her lies. Well, I'm here too, in my wrist. You bigger girl.
anyone have an idea how to include your classmates in the game while
Network
still
yami.
being fair and equal?
Yeah, bedan.
Chloe could switch teams with every goal. The team that wins will be the one who did the best. with the standing up.
Nicely done, Captain. Marinette, is it?
Yes. Thank you, sir. Well, I told you James idea ridiculous. Utterly
Ngimuhle impela but angifiki kuyena.
father, as Mary did his hands this class.
Angifiki nje kuyena. Hi Thando.
No need. I'm waiting for a call from
Fika ngomzane.
someone much more powerful.
Oh, come on.
Indaba ngathi kade ukhala nje manje. Wow, sasesihle sisithombe. Busemoyeni. Sasesihle. Hayi ngithanda lesi. So kade ngiqhelelene lonke like. Oh, congisendela lesi.
Your classmates are forcing you to play soccer. I'm giving you the power to make them loathe this sport forever. Accomplish this, you'll be an invincible team with all the guarantees of winning it all, including cheating, of course, in exchange.
Save your breath, victory in the miraculous.
Hayi. uyakushuthi. Seyipara siya. Seyipara dog. Power dog. Ow. So far as e-wallpaper. Kwi-wallpaper yami. Khuleka.
Dog.
Ngizothengela yona. Naxa uziva like ufuna
Dog lo ngisesethu. Hayibo. Wala wena.
awukho emsebenzini nini?
Cha ke yawo ngiphile life. Ndikuleave. Kaloku uthena abantu xa beze be pre-organize nami ndike ndizi-organize yaqonda uba ndibhukhe leave especial for bona. So wena ingxaki yakho uvele ufike like uthi gqi sendilapha which is good.
Mama
awundixeleli on time because enza kubhukhela leave.
Mama
Ndikuspoil.
Ke bobona. Mina slim.
Chom ndikhumbulile ndixeleleva.
Islim mina.
Islim mina.
Mina nje angilentuza ama-leave masesengiza lapho.
yimi usesethu mas. Usendenze ndangakwazi nokutya ibhizinenzana nenhloko yakhe.
Wayihlupha ubahle.
Uyambona mama?
Why?
Chomi sana ithini into yakho?
Ngantoni?
Ndikhumbulile khawubuye.
Yo. Awusachambazi.
Uzobuya nini velena?
Hayi sana ulihlu ngixoxa ngenantsika ngeJanuary Chomi.
January.
Eka ukude uJanuary.
Oh vakashela ekhaya.
Ngamjonga uyakho ndilindela aglowe ke mzaki yabo ngoku usambachaza and ke ngoku asithemba awuphuma eminyango because afanele bakubona nje.
Yo akushushu.
Ushushu neThom?
Shusha Durban.
Yini nebitchini?
Hayi ndizoyapho ngifuna ubuya ndimnyama.
Abo kaloku just uve nantsika like lase Durban Chom after a while.
Akibathi.
Imake obengifuna ukubuza njoba ulapho manje uphinda ubuyele nini because ngifuna sibuyele sonke ndawonye.
Uzoza ngala wena?
Bengicaba uthi bahla sibuye ngoFebruary but like uzobona usanda kubuya phela. Yabo and my thing was mina bengifuna ukubuyela ngoMarch.
Hayi mina also ngibuyela mangibuya ngalana phela ngibuya ngoJune.
NgoJune xa kuyiwinter nami Thombe ndifuna ukuxolela iwinter because ndiyayidika iwinter lapha but ke noba lo
Sometimes my birthday month mos.
Ngizobuya.
Because angithi our March eba yi-week ama-holidays.
Uzobuyela iweek ke ngokwena?
Ilento nditsho uba andizokwazi because uzoba yi-week.
Le kaMarch uxola and then ekaJune this is by 2 weeks ne.
Hayi iba yinyanga.
It's a whole month.
Nyani? Hayi buya Chom uze kokucala.
Iba yinyanga.
Come back.
Izodepend ukuba ndigqiba nini ukubhala.
Then uphinde buya Chom sana.
Yeah Hayi ikhanda lami zimbi kanjani?
Uwayisana Chomi.
Sisi uyasabisa.
Like it's not good.
Ayasabisa girl yasabisa.
Like it's not good for me to look at.
Lekani. Yabo masese ngi-right. Nizobona.
Chomi khakwenza iphondo man like usabise izitha zakho uthi gqinge closure.
Unezitha naye?
Nginazo yazi ngithukile uthi izitha. Izitha. Yebo.
Wakhuluma phambi kohlanga olu-66 68 yaniyuko.
Sisi yima.
No but
Uyaphela nje bulungisa ilo.
Ngiyena lo into yakhe.
Ngine-date.
Ma.
Andlala Chomi abantu ngicela for emsebenzini Chomi uyabona uba iyanyuka le nto iyaphakama.
Ungena nini emsebenzini?
Tomorrow.
Yo.
Yewethu ndidikiwe ndoxelela afuna uyazi.
Khawulento zeka business.
Even nolani.
Ufuna thini?
Nihleli kahle kodwa apha.
Sihleli kabi.
Ubufuna ntoni Chomi? Khona ifunayo.
Khona efuneke.
Ngifuna uveza umbhaco. Intwana engayifuna kuwe.
Awukude, awukude kwalo mbhaco athetha ngawo.
Tim, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Imag, bahlangan. Balo natin.
Hayibo manje bashayeka lento ayenzayo bakithi.
Azifethu mina ngaze ngavelele. Angivele ngimniyeke kazena.
Into engizoyivonqa yona.
Yamuza uthini? Uthini?
Into engizoyivonqa yona. Uyicabanga ukuthi lakho noma elami.
Sana. Lwami.
Mana silalihle. Uthi
akasajabule ma.
Uzizwa njani? Elami phela ngeke ngajabuli.
Uzizwa kanjani? Baba.
Into ngizoyivonqa yona. Ngaze ngasaba. Ngeke zibe nasithende.
Hayi wena ufuna ukudestroy le teka ufuna uyinqaba ufuna ukudestroy.
Yo uzizwa njani okunini ulifuna?
Show me like this gift was like ma. Manje ngokuba usenzela nesenhloko.
Hey!
Mama ingaku live. Yeva. I'm not gonna lie. Like this gift to Choma, I was like, oh my god, gifty.
Igift egiftekile phela le. Igift egiftekile.
Unazo zonke ngani.
Ba.
Mama uzobopha wena because awufuna indlebe zakho zicindezele.
Unazo zonke Choma.
Uboniswa ngalo.
Wow, Leli. Yilena vele ngeke scream.
Amanye ubona mfiliba.
Sesuzandenze lenye ikofi ngicela.
Uyabuza isuthi. So uthi igift yabahle ngibona filiba.
Hayi kaloku since like hayi nawe
Khaba wena mfutshane.
Uyamazi sesiyathanda ujika amagama miyadila.
Chairman ungula xa setown va.
I think enjoy kodwa kule weekend okanye kule weekend cause show me bengayazi bayisesisoya kwi20 ntontoni asanyadika lento.
No but kutheni ungazoya next week show xa sesende right nami sakwazi ba usabe sewenza lana nanto eyenza.
Okay. Uzoba right nini mina? Uzoba right nini mina?
Not le weekend siya kuyona leya weekend leya.
Is it in date ke ngokla weekend?
Izamhla 19 18
20. Oh okay.
Zuk Eva amahle zuki mohle.
Besithuza apha ke lo animazi uyajika.
Kodwa yimani no like honestly speaking amahle no nino lihle kodwa shame nyazi nomoshile umoya wami.
Umoya wakho phansi.
Sister in blood love wise kodwa nomoshile umoya wami.
Umzisele ambazibopha ufaka into yakho le.
Like umzekelo lo. Like umzekelo guys. Hi Rahiso. Like guys ithini into kutheni mina ndingekho apho.
Zibuze.
Ayibo khanya
uzandenze lokunye ukutya.
Guys ungolile ulihle ndinixelele.
Like izibuze.
Like uamahleka naye akasandi DM aside athi show me make sure that you are here sana.
Thatha nawe umamela.
Ngiyayiqonda uba igift eLouis Vuitton unyana ngabe usayifumana. Hayi nawe abantu zibuza sithi yezwa amahle. Ngiyayiqonda uba unantsika unyana ngabe ufumana uLV oshishi. Olala zayo chobi jonga. Oh, kwa umaXhosa socks. Ebezakubana. But ke still into endingayithetha uba ndingamposa mos.
Cover umbhaco.
Bahle. Cela ukhupha umbhaco chomi.
Thana uthuma umbhaco nje.
Nginapha.
Ankuba sisatsho.
Umbhaco chomo.
Imma. Uyibekele ngikudanga ngawo wena lento. Mnandi.
Yo guys, ndifuna siphume for ama mocktails,
Oh, kodwa ngoku bendilapho ubungafuni. Uyajwayela wena noba I'm not your friend.
I'm not your friend.
I'm not your friend.
I love you, but I hate you.
Hayi andiyazi ke hate ndiyiva ngawo.
Tell that to, didn't he? Tell that to somebody who cares.
Tell
somebody who cares. Bitch, please. Please.
Tell somebody who cares.
Tell somebody who cares. Chomi, ufuna umbhaculile. Uthi usebhegini yakhe so ufuna mina ndiyobhuqula ibags.
Ewe kaloku.
Une
tripod mos.
Wena bitch akho sefoto yini akho.
Une tripod.
Akho sefoto yini akho. Cima kukwakho.
Language khona ingane language.
Bantwana shame xolweni. Nanguma. Mayithi yakhona abantu abantu bawu-25 ababukile.
Uthini?
Khona abantu abawu-25 ababukile.
Shut up. Hello. Wena sesikhona into yakho.
Hayibo sizongithethisa ke bonakeke ngiyabona sengenzeni. Bahliphi isikhe sakile le purple. Uma sizongithethisa ke manje.
Alright, akuthethi sawulala egqekeni.
Okay, kulihle ma. Iphi umbhaco wakho bra? Anguboni phethe, sorry.
Sykes. Beka mpedeni phela ngibone.
Ngibethunana uzothini xa usubona ephethe? Sithi bendini xelele. Uthi ndinabo abantu bam. Abazalana nam.
Ngaze ngabhima.
Hayi ma. Naba. Abazalana nam. Sho.
Abazalana.
Akan kau balik apa com? Macam lu kau balik kau pun buih.
It's raining. Oh baby, it's raining.
Biasanya tiba bonge bazoibo. Nazange saibona into enshi. Agasemhle. Bahleke uthena ke
Anfu?
bonge bazoibo. Nazange saibona.
Phone yami?
I'm not sure what's nice about it. Also, it has pockets.
Pockets.
Uzawuyela nini umbhaco lo sis?
Uzani manje uzawuza.
Njengoba siya uya January.
Ema Chomi, ema. Uzoyani xa uya emsebenzini uzokwazi like imali ikufakele nini imali?
Ayisho umzekelo kaloku ndi-off namhlanje fanele into yenze namhlanje sana like umzekelo ndizawuya enantsike ndiyoposela cause le eye yoba kundilinde banini sana
Imali ndikufakele ndizokufakela ke.
ngoku ndipreparation ndiye emall ngo
Hayibo intoni
akho nto erongo
remove intoni laa nto oyivesileyo? Intoni oyivesileyo cause uTikTok uthi ndikuremove.
Yo.
Hayibo. Imasondela andiyazi like
is it because of amanantsika
I think
tits so weekend ukuxolela at least ke uzayibona
but then ke ngoku it's not hayibo sango-1 sesethu because uPep uvala ngo-6.
Ngizozama ngizayenza.
Alright. Akusakufanele le ntuza.
No, leave. Awuzeleli mna ndidikliwe
You
ndikuxelela.
have to be a girl enyamezela.
Oh, wena ntoni wena entloko Jom? Xesizongam.
Andiyazi.
Awuyazi?
Akambeka.
Hey umbisana dlana ndayibona.
Umbisho.
Hayi ndimbisana.
Namafleur.
Andiyazi noba yintoni. Buthwa. Ngathi ne-short hair.
Hayi wena siwa zindonezo. Ayisana.
Ngathi ndine-short hair.
Huh?
Ngathi ndine-short hair.
Chobi. Injibaba kanti ndayibona isiza.
Ikhona. Bathi relax izobuya man. Asingxamanga.
Yeza. Sizile bo.
Sazopatana sibasenze njani la?
Ngoba andifuna uyibone yami sana iband uxolele.
Why uvuma ngathi?
Awutsho midona la wethu. Sana. Yewena uthini na?
Why uvuma ngathi?
Yazi ngokuba mina ndiyathanda ugeza mos.
Ugezele ba?
Fika izolo ke. So kufika uolo yo wathi tabala cha ndidlalise ke niyamazi nje ndathanda umdlalisi uolo masiba lento nala roommate kanjani ukuthi roommate akungabhadlanga nazo ever. So I like saying that basi ngoba jonga la roommate yakho onibana la girlfriend yakho unayibhadlanga shomi sana andiyazi ndokuxelela ifanele ngibuya ngoFebruary ngathi uzobuya ngoMarch andiyazi March or May I'm not sure amahle
ubuya ngoMay nje.
Ngolo xesha Chomi. So xa ngisithi namhlanje ngingena ndithi bana cherry yakho iremindile into yelewe yespray athi bana ewe ndithi bana yo hayi son ndiyakwazi kaloku wena la cherry yakho abo ndicovaka can't only to find out ndiyathetha ke mna ke nazimandiyageza xa ndinqande uba Chomi ndingathetha uba la cherry yakungabhadlanga izovulilibana andiyithethanga Chomi loo nto kunceda uba ndingathethi like because ndiyathanda udlalisa kanjalo andithi vula ucango iinyawo sana zithini khona
Hayi nawe umlomo wakho khawuhlambe umlomo wakho kwatheni
ndikethetha into erayithi ngabantu
babekuvilela
ndiuqukuqa Chomi
babekuvilela like babuyithethile nyani laa nto ubuzothini
no Chomi ndiye kugeza like ndike ndibe ngumuntu onice uyeke ukugeza like I feel like if umuntu othatha izinto personal nasoze sadibana ndiyethanda udlala mna and then ndathi oh my god xa sesiphuma ndathi bana wathi ibheke khona wathi siwalakhanga kuve but iyakwazi uba ngumuntu odlala ngalo hlobo like uyathanda ugeza manisigeze xa ndathi umxelele ke sekuba mna ndiyazidlalela mna Chomi.
And then he sent always pictures kodwa ndakucela mna prior
sending pictures urishared from my status
bungayivulanga ukurishare.
It is but didn't you reshare from my status? Yeah. Inantsika le status sami ndinxibe lokho didn't you reshare it from my status sami? Ureshare likhona Chomi.
But then ndakucela mna ndathi cela undithumele.
Chomi ndakasifumani ndisana la photo.
Special treatment ne?
Special treatment, yes.
No, but like honestly speaking Chomi angazifumani kwangoku khona ezi Chomi nqoma ndinomama ndinobahle wonke umuntu angazifumani sana mazi yangicaphukisa ngicela Tuesday namhlanje fabe sifumane kwa izolo umzekelo mama
Hambe kumama futhi.
xolo Chomi leza ngoku thani mana uvula ulwimi Chomi man khathi ndihambe.
All right, baby.
I will talk to you. Enjoy with your people. I'll surely check up on you during the day and that time again. Bye. Sure. Ungikhuphe ke.
Hi Mazwane. Guys, uthi ngiyogeza. Ngizoba live later on. Love you, Lord.